in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of a legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find Dryland first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Oh, it's a woman! Looks like it's Helen! Return signal! Open the gate! Close the gate! Hey, Matt, keep a lookout. Sage! Come help me! Helen, over here. Excuse me, still alive. Wait, you're there. What'd you come by?
That's Dryland!
Dryland's just a myth.
No, it's not it. I've been there. It's our salvation! We can all start new lives on Dryland, but we have to hurry. Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers? You can smokers in the distance! Battle station! Helen, hurry! Get on your foot. Helen, give your toe. Takata, to the gate! Where is it? I can't see it! It's coming through the seal! Freeze to the wall! Barrier set! Kill the insult! Freeze! To the gate! Now! Freeze!
Tiger Woods. See that guy out there? Yeah, he was distracting me. Whoa! No. Come Mommy might need these people. Here, back this! Brothers and sisters!
Hey, Deacon! You hear that? We're not your brothers and sisters. We're good people. And they're with me. Am I right?
Somebody shut him up.
Come on! Is that all you got? This is my HO. No one tells me to shut up.
Shut up! Now where was I? Desolate children! You poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. He's told me personally that somebody here knows the way to draw land. That's right, my block, draw land. We're gonna pay the drive and tax it in town and sweet Joe. We're gonna use it, roots it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument for my beloved sale.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the mariner.
Close the gates. The mariner. You mean that half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours? The one that poked out my eye.
Yeah! The wonderful W-R.
Bring me the girl. So, Helen, can I offer you a smoke?
No, thanks.
You want to play games? Let's play. You keep an eye on her. Tell me what we got up there, boys. Well, look at that, Helen. Dirt. Now I need to know the way to try land. So the name of the game's called "The First One Who Talks Lives."
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
That makes you the winner,
Helen! Don't tell him anything!
and him the loser. Drop him. Now, Helen, tell me the way to try land, or you're next.
Get your broken high speed!
So shoot it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change.
it. I'm gonna take care of the fish for myself. Do your job. Hey, Mariner, enough fun games. I need something a bit more change. Ask and you shall receive. Hey, Mariner, I found Big Bertha. Do us a favor, stay still. Well, you look at that. You use the chuck as a shield? I never liked it. Shut up! He's gone, Helen, and a single tear rolls down my cheek. Somebody signal my seaplane! What do you know, Mama better dead? Yeah, so's your boyfriend. See that ladder? Climb it! I've got a brand new vision. The pilgrimage for two. Right, what do you think, Helen? You and me! Look at me! You made me hit my seaplane! Boy, come on! Pull up! Miles of open ocean, and my plane hits the one wall. Nevertheless, I've got your woman. Killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You haven't got a leg to stand on. Hey, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Strong land is my destiny. And what? Wow, Helen! Why are you not? Whoa, there! You're coming with me!